this is a trough, and you can see, look at this. Look at this. Horrible. They just coated over everything. This horrible, all right? So I got Enoch and his helper, Marvin, and we gonna train them how to fix roofs. The first thing, Enoch, we need to do is preparation. You cannot, like everybody did, you can see they went over, this guy went over this people went over something, you see that?
Yep.
It's a build-up of a lot of garbage here. We need to take all this garbage off.
Okay.
We cannot work like this. So the first thing is to remove everything. Okay? Look at it, tar and silicone, and it's a big mess. So I take a hammer and I try to remove everything. Look at the water underneath it. You cannot fix any leak like this. There were about 20 layers of different fixes over this particular patch in the gutter. It never works. After about a half an hour, we started making headway, getting all the stuff removed. All right, cut it there, cut the whole thing there.
The gutter was lined with the EPDM rubber, so I didn't want to remove the EPDM rubber from the gutter, the EPDM lining from the gutter. So I cut it right there at the corner. Using a small grinder with a steel bristle brush is the best way to clean the metal, to get it clean.
So next step is we take the silicone, super silicone, okay? Super silicone, and what I do is I want to cover the surface because I don't know if there's small holes. I'm going to put the fleece because there's holes in the middle. Take the marble, put it in. Okay, put down. Okay, this way. Yeah, put down. Yeah.
Marvin does not speak English,
like that.
and it was hard for him to understand what I
Yeah.
want. So it was hard to teach somebody that did
Just
not
like
know
that.
the language. In the other hand, Enoch was amazing.
Enoch.
You could tell he had experience
Yeah.
in a lot of things. So it was very nice to teach somebody like that.
I want to overlap to that other one.
Notice how we make the transition from the metal roof
That's
to the
good.
gutter. We bring the fleece over that corner.
Cut.
Espere que lo haga él y después.
Look. Okay, Marvin? And then, okay? Now you know. Right?
Yes.
I'm back on this roof where we were training 2 people to fix leaks. I want to see if he's passed the test. The guy that I trained, to see if he can from now on continue. So the first thing I'm going to ask you is, Enoch, what do I have to do to start fixing leaks?
We have to go find inside
the building.
The building.
Okay, you need to locate where the leaks are because this is 30,000 square feet. You cannot just start anywhere.
Yeah.
Very good. So that's what we're going to do now. So I already located the inside. Now we see it on the outside where it's leaking, next to the skylight and next and in the gutter here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to start working. Good. The test. You know what to do. You know what products to use. In this case, you use super silicone seal. But it's like there, we're going to now do another patch. And let's go over there so you can do that one patch and that with your final test. And then I'll give you the stamp of approval.
So this was the final test to Enoch, and what he did was, when we're going to fix the seam, he was just scraping the silicone off. His intention was not to remove the tar, and that was a failure.
Yeah, we gotta
He
clean it.
failed the test. I had to show him again what to do, and he caught on very quickly.
Okay, just clean it. See all the water there?
Yeah.
Coming back to do another seam helped a lot because then he understood, he forgot that he had to clean everything.
That's it.
And that helped him to Remember that that's how we
Right,
do it,
so-
the process.
We did a
Anyway,
similar leak
that worked out very good.
repair last week in very cold weather. It was 28 degrees out. And here's what we did. You can see what it looks like. This is what we did last week. And look, very, very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. You see? Very flexible and it sticks. It's not coming loose. So very, very good. That's what we did last week. We did the end of the gutter last week as well. It rained a lot. Look at it, beautiful. You can see, very nice. Look, beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Nothing leaks. Same here. Look at it, beautiful. Very, very smooth. Very nice. Not leaking anymore. Good job. Everything is clean. A little bit dusty. I'll give you the stamp of approval. That's it.
Thank you.
All right, man. Good job.
Thank you.
I trained these people. We tested them. I'm happy to say they know what they're doing. They can repair the roofs now. They don't need to call us anymore. So Enoch and Marvin passed the test. This is the best way for any company, is to have people trained to do their own repairs. They don't need to pay for a roofing company. I'll see you in the next video.